What if your PC could unlock with just one look? Upload your face image and log in instantly with AI. So first, open your favorite browser, type Google Colab and hit enter. Now, let's open the first website. Now, click on create new notebook. All right, now type pip install Deepface and then click the run button. Now that the package is installed successfully, upload 2 images, one of your face and another of a random person. Perfect. Now let's import the Deepface library. Now we'll verify the images by comparing both of them. We use deepface.verify to compare the faces in both images. Now run the code. All right, as you can see, this is one of the most common errors. To fix it, simply copy the link from the description, paste it here, and then run the code. As you can see, the code is running smoothly and downloading the pre-trained model. Now, remove this link and run the code again. It's working now. You can see that verified is false, which means the faces in the 2 images are different. For now, we're only interested in the verified and confidence values, not the full output. All right, now print only the verified and confidence values. Now, let's verify it with the same person. It returned true because both images are of the same person, even with a different angle or position. We can even print the face coordinates, such as X and Y positions. All right, here's the face position. It's showing both images, but we just want the position for the first image. All right, as you can see, here's the face position. We'll use these X and Y values to draw the red box. To display images in Google Colab, we'll use Matplotlib. So let's import it. Wow, the image is displayed in Google Colab, but it shows the axes. To remove them, we can use plt.axes off. Much better now, right? Now, let's highlight the face by drawing a red box. Here's how we do it. To do that, we'll import Pillow and use Image Draw. Let's remove this line and use Pillow to read the image. To draw on the image, we use Draw. It will detect the face and store all its information in a single variable called face from the image. It will find the X, Y, width, and height and store them in separate variables. Here, we use the face's width, height, and position, which we stored earlier, to draw a red box on the face using Draw Rectangle. All right, as you can see, it automatically detected the face position and drew a red box on it. Next, we'll build a modern web-based AI face login system. Now, open a new tab and type Claude AI. All right, now open the first website. Now, copy the prompt from the description, paste it here, and hit enter. The AI will design a modern face login website. All right, Claude AI created a great website. But before we download it, let's make a few changes. Copy the prompt from the description, paste it here, and hit enter. All right, the AI has generated a nice website, and as you can see here, it's displaying the expected response parameter from the server. Next, let's download the website as an HTML file. Open the command prompt, type pip install FastAPI, and hit enter. Great, the package installed successfully. Next, open your code editor, then create a new file named face.login.py. First, let's import FastAPI. Now, let's create our FastAPI app. Here, we define the main homepage route. This means when someone opens the website, this page will appear first. Next, we import Uvicorn to run our FastAPI app. Now, we run the app using uvicorn.run. Great, Uvicorn is running now. You can open this link to see your app live in the browser. The app is now running successfully and it returns an empty response. Now, create a new folder named template and move face login.html into it. Now, we import Jinja templates for templates and requests to handle incoming requests. Now we create our templates object using Jinja templates and connect it to the template folder. Now we return a template response, pass the request, and display our face login.html page. Great, the server is running successfully and it's rendering the face login.html page. Now we import file and upload file to handle file uploads. Now, we create a post route called verify face, where the uploaded image will be received for verification. Inside the function, we join the file name with the uploads folder path using OS, so the uploaded image gets saved in the right place. Alright, everything looks fine so far. Upload the image and hit verify. The image didn't save in the uploads folder and the server is throwing an error. Let's fix this quickly. Looks like the issue is with the variable name, so let's rename image to face, image to fix it. Okay, let's upload the image again and click the verify button. Nice. As you can see, it uploaded successfully, which means the server received it. Alright, next we're going to use the DeepFace library for face verification. So let's import it. And we also need to import JSON response from FastAPI since we'll use it for the response. Okay, now we're creating a face verify function. This will compare the uploaded image with our main image using DeepFace. Then send back the match result and confidence score. Alright, cool. Nice. It's working now. Let's upload the image and click the verify button. Okay. Wait a few seconds because the AI is verifying the face, and now you can see it shows authentication successful. Now, if I try a different face image, you can see it shows authentication unsuccessful.